Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm just going to do a tutorial on how to remove your Corsa VXR door mirrors. This is the Corsa D shape. So what you need to do is remove the door card first, which I've already done in the last tutorial. You need to disconnect this plug. Little tab down here, just lift that up and then push the grommet in with the plug. Now the tricky bit on these is you have to yank them up really hard because they seize up for unknown reasons. I just need to find something to stand this on. Right, so we've just got to yank this up. They get pretty stiff, so what I suggest when you go to refit this is there's little metal clips inside these holes. You just grease them up and then grease up the nipples on the end here just so it makes it a little bit easier in case you ever want to take it off again. Copper grease will do, or ordinary grease. To remove this you'll need a Torx 45 and just remove the middle bolt. And just pull your wiring through. It's as simple as that to remove the door mirror. Again, thank you for tuning in. Hope that really helps you get your door mirror off in case you want to change them or repaint them or repair them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.